In spite of a late-day burst of buying, stocks finished down this afternoon and the day after the biggest rally in 3 months. So what happened? Let's find out. Let's go to Deborah Kostroun, who's got 5 highlights from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. Yeah, you know, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was down 160 to 170 points all day today. But in that last 20 minutes, we just saw lots of buyers stepping in. And remember, we've been getting reports that short sales are at the lowest level since 2007. So if people are long, they certainly want to see this market moving higher. So we certainly didn't close on the lowest level of the day, but all day long we did see pressure as that monthly jobs report on one hand certainly showed some pretty good job growth, but the downer was the fact that wage growth was flat. And traders tell me that when wages are not growing and you have higher oil and gas prices, it's certainly not a good recipe for a rally. Pimm.
Now, Deborah, you just mentioned, we're talking about oil, and we've been talking about it all week, but it's really the big story now. Tell us more about what's happening with oil prices.
Well, crude oil, of course, surging back up to a 29-month high, closing over $104 a barrel. And all over the country, gasoline prices are spiking. And it was a headline on the news shows as gas stations were raising their prices. In fact, I saw one gas station live on the air raising their gas price by 17 cents. And that really impacts the consumer because the higher gas prices really acts like a tax on consumers. And that could limit their spending in other areas if they're spending more at the gas pump. And traders telling Bloomberg that the trend right now in the crude oil market is definitely higher. And as we take a look at the week really quickly, we did manage to eke out a gain, even though we did see the market lower today. But this burst that we got in the last 20 minutes certainly helping out the major averages to see this ever so slight gain for the week. Back to you in the studio, Pimm.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun. That 17-cent per gallon increase, that was at the Vince Lombardi Service Center on the New Jersey Turnpike.